Welcome guys, this is another edition whereby we have to see how you can get to watch paid for TV using OSCAM or what we call CCCAM. So this is a tutorial whereby you need to know how you can be able to set up your server and make sure your TV is able to unlock these scrambled channels. We are using the Amos 4.0 satellite, commonly known as Yes TV, for some of you who know about the satellite names and the TV services with the satellite. So first of all, you have to make sure that your device is connected onto the internet. There you go. You see we are connected to a MiFi here. It's already connected. So without any internet connection, you cannot be able to unscramble the channels. So basically with the setup, you can also be able to go under the Wi-Fi settings here. Then you can look at what you can be able to connect to, like that's already connected. Very many Wi-Fi networks here, but this is already connected to the Airtel 4G network, as you have seen. Then now what you have to do, you just go to the plugins, make sure your server setup is complete. Now the red button on the remote here, when you press it, it shows you either you can change it to manual every time you set up the decoder, change it, or you can put it on auto every time you switch on the decoder. It just picks up automatically. Then for the green, is able to start the server. Then you can delete it by the yellow button. Then in case you need to download a server to be able to use, which comes with this device, this is where you download it from. But currently Mediastar is not running any servers that can help you bypass these channels. So what you have to do, you just have to buy a server access for this decoder, then you make a personal plugin. I once made a video of how you can make the plugin, so look at my recent videos, then you can be able to know how you can make a plugin under that. So just to go back behind, our server here shows it's already running. You see the unscrambled channel has already been unlocked. So you can be able to watch various channels here.
Hey guys, get out of here.
This is a 4K decoder.
Yeah, fine. No, you were there.
We're getting a beer. Come along.
You're buying.
We must get hammered.
Not yet. I'm almost finished.
ההתנגשות הייתה עם לואיס המילטון, הרבה זמן הוא מתעכב שם על משהו.
כן, לא היה ברור למה הוא התעכב כל כך הרבה.
כי ראינו את החלקים שמתעופפים לאוויר, ותראה את ההתקפה הזו של ג'ורג'.
זה בעצם מדגים טקסטים של הסמים.
בסטארט-אפ לכל דבר בעניין.
עמוס, קראו לו המשיח האלוהות.
But what happened was, as the lake went down, all the silt and mud at the bottom hardened in the sun until it was like concrete, and they couldn't get...
So thank you guys for following up. In case you have any inquiries or in case you have any submissions, feel free to drop something in the comment section. I'll be able to answer. Thank you guys. Ciao.